Hello, children. How are you? Welcome back again. Okay. So I hope everyone's fine at home. Keep safe. So as you know that we have discussed, we have discussed in the last class, that is 9.5 exercise going on. The first question is already completed. Okay. So let us move on to the next question. I hope first question is clear to everyone. If any doubts, write in comment box over there in that video. So let us start question number second. What is that? Use the identity. In means in second question we have to use x plus a, x plus b identity in the form of x square plus a plus b into x plus AB. Means in question number second we have to use this identity only. Okay. So first part, the things is written x plus 3 and x plus 7. मतलब हमें इन क्वेश्चंस में इस आइडेंटिटी के क्वेश्चंस ही मिलेंगे केवल, और आपका प्लस माइनस हो सकता है वो हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चंस पे. In some question there will be plus sign, some question will be minus sign. So let us see these questions later. When it will comes, I will discuss. But it will be plus sign. So here in this question here it is clear. X in place of x, that is x, and in place of a, that is 3, in place of c, that is 7. So only focus on this right hand term. Okay. So let us again, I will write the identity. Means right hand side I am written now, that is in place of x, right? Look at the right hand side, that is x square. x की जगह पर क्या है, x से तो x square simply, plus sign a plus b means 3 plus 7. okay, 3 plus 7 and x के प्लेस पर क्या है, x ही है, और a के प्लेस पर 3, b की प्लेस पर 7, और आप जानते हो a और b में क्या होता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन. तो आप सिंपली इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो. एक्स स्क्वायर 7 3 10 एक्स प्लस 21. नाउ दिस इज द आंसर फॉर फर्स्ट पार्ट इन दिस वन, राइट? So this is the answer for the first part. For second part, let us, I'm trying to solve second part. 4x plus 5, 4x plus 1. Now here you will see x is equals to 4x. Please keep this in mind. x is equals to क्या है, 4x है, a आपका 5 है, b आपका 1 है. आपको यही फर्स्टली पहले आपको ये निकालना सीखना है कंपेयर करके. फ्रॉम दिस आप कंपेयर करो, x जगह पर क्या लिखा हुआ है, तो क्या लिखा है 4x, और a की जगह पर 5, b की जगह पर 1. 4 मीन्स फर्स्ट टर्म आपका सेम होगा, नहीं होगा सेम तो हमें करना पड़ेगा. तो वो जैसे अगर कुछ क्वेश्चन डिफरेंट आते हैं, we will discuss this, don't worry. But I think in your syllabus the first term will remain same. Okay. So now use this identity. I am writing the right hand part directly. 4x square means x square means 4x square plus a plus b means 5 plus 1 into 4x. You can say after means after bracket there is multiplication sign, it is obvious thing, plus 5 into 1. okay, because in place of a 5, b 1. So 4x square, that is simply 16x square, and then 5 1 6, 6 4s are 24. देखो 5 1 6 आया, आप चाहो तो एक स्टेप्स आप कर लो ऐसे, that is 5 5 1s are 5. now 16x square plus 6 4s are 24 and plus 5. This is step is not compulsory, because you are in the level that you will add and directly multiply. 5 1 6, 6 4s are 24. तो आप डायरेक्टली ये वाला स्टेप राइट कर सकते हो. So this is your second part of the question number second. Okay. Now third part. third part that is written, that is 4x minus 5. In this question the important part is there. Here if you will compare x plus a और x plus b से आप कंपेयर करोगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, x की जगह पर क्या है 4x है और a की जगह पर क्या है, हाँ दैट इज -5। देखो अब यहाँ पर इसको क्या लिखोगे, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा मैं राइट करता हूं, थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई, लेट मी मॉडिफाई दिस क्वेश्चन फर्स्टली। 4x plus of -5, this one, and 4x plus of -1, we have to modify this one. Now you will compare, क्योंकि बीच में प्लस है तो आपको प्लस लाना पड़ेगा पहले, ठीक है, आपको ये करना पड़ेगा नहीं तो डाउट रहेगा, आपको कंफ्यूजन, या आप डायरेक्टली अगर आप ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो एक जगह पर क्या है दैट इज -5, क्योंकि आपको बीच में हम लोग प्लस साइन चाहिए, इससे हम लोग कंपेयर कर रहे हैं। प्लीज कीप दिस इन माइंड, in identity there is plus sign in the brackets, but here there is minus sign, so we have to take a and b values with their negative sign. So a is -5 and b is -1. Now you will compare, in place of b क्या लिखा हुआ है, this one, in place of a क्या लिखा हुआ है, क्योंकि प्लस प्लस एक जगह पर क्या लिखा हुआ -5, don't take it brackets, b जगह क्या -1, ओनली नंबर्स की बात करेंगे। सो अब यहाँ पर एंटीज आपकी यूज हो जाएगी कौन सी, एक्स स्क्वायर का मीन मतलब 4x स्क्वायर और a प्लस बी का मतलब क्या होता है आपका -5 और -1, ओके ब्रैकेट बंद, और क्या होता है आपका 4x मीन्स 4x, ठीक है, और प्लस ab का मतलब -5 into -1. Why I'm writing in brackets, because bracket is important, otherwise you will get confused. 4x square simply 16x square. Now you know that -5 -1 that is gives you -6. Both sign will be negative, they will be added. So -6 and 4x, and here -5 into -5 1. So minus in multiplication gives you plus sign, right? And this is plus, this answer is plus, so again plus, so 5 ones are 5, don't confuse. In multiplication minus sign, in multiplication minus gives you plus, okay, but in subtraction or addition means -5 and -1 is written, that answer is 6, they will be added, but the sign will be of negative bigger number, right? So this is the concept of, this is the concept you have done in the previous class, also in this class, right? So 16x square, now -6 is there, so definitely minus sign is there. 6 4s are 24, x plus 5. Now this is the answer for the given identities, okay? So if the minus sign in the brackets, if you will identify directly a and b, well and good. If you're not able to identify, do this process, okay? If you will identify, I don't have any issue, you will find a and b directly, put down the values in the formula, that is x plus a and x plus b. This identity I have used here, x square a plus b into x plus ab. This is the identity which will be used up, okay? Now fourth part coming, that is 4x plus 5 and second bracket 4x minus 1. It is same as third part, second question, where in second bracket also plus sign, but in fourth question second bracket having minus sign. So it is very clear, a is equals to 5, b is equals to -1, and x is equals to 4x, okay? So you will use the identity here, I'm writing directly, x square का मतलब 4x square plus a plus b होता है, that is 5 plus of -1, okay? क्योंकि प्लस होता है ना बीच में, a plus b की वैल्यू -1, तो मैंने ब्रैकेट से राइट की, क्योंकि मैं बाद में आप समझाऊंगा क्यों रखा, क्योंकि अब प्लस और माइनस का मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो क्या आएगा, माइनस ही आना है आपका। फिर into 4x plus 5 into -1, ब्रैकेट्स इंपॉर्टेंस यहाँ पर आपका बढ़ जाता है। तो 16x स्क्वायर प्लस 5 और -1 दैट इज 4 और 4 4s आर 16, सो 4 राइट करो पहले, बाद में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। नाउ 5 into -1 gives you -5, so 16x square plus 16x, 4 4s are 16 minus 5. Now this is the answer for the fourth part. Okay, now fifth part I am taking. Fifth part, 2x plus 5y and 2x plus 3y. So here x is equals to 2x, b is equals a is equals to, that is 5y, and b is equals to 3y. Now this question is more interesting. In the second term also variable there, no problem, only which is common, that is important. So using here the identities, that is x square means, let me write the identity, x plus a, x plus b, that is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So here x square means 2x square plus a plus b means 5y plus 3y into 2x plus 5y into 3y, because a into b. Okay, so this gives you very easy, 4x square 5 3 8, 8y into 2x plus 5 3 are 15, 15 and y into y square. So answer is coming now 4x square plus 8 2 are 16 x y plus 15 y square. This is the answer for the fifth part. Okay, this means simply I am using this identity and multiplication of the polynomial that we have done in the previous exercises. Means in this chapter, throughout the polynomials, multiplication, addition, subtraction and sign convention rule will be used. Okay, now sixth part that is given, 2a square plus 9 and 2a square plus 5. So look in this question here, x is your 2a square, a is your 9 and b is your 5 simply. So now you can use here identity. Okay, so I'm writing with the help of this identity, I'm writing 2a 2a square, x square means 2a square whole square प्लस, क्योंकि x की जगह पे 2a स्क्वायर है तो पूरा राइट करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर, a plus b 9 plus 3 and a square x square means 2a square plus 9 into 3. Now after this you will write, now look at here, 2a square and 2a square, because whole power 2 है ना, तो आपका 2 2 4 हो जाएगा और a power 4 means 2 plus 2, so it will gives you 4a power 4 plus 9 3 12 into 2a square plus 9 3 are 27. So this will remain same, and 12 2 are 24, a square plus 27, right? So this way, this is the answer of sixth part. Okay, so moving on to the next part, that is seventh part. and it's last part of question number second, that is written xyz minus 4 and xyz minus 2. So if you see, A is your xyz and B, sorry, not A, sorry, this is x is your xyz, ठीक है, and A is your minus 4, B is your minus 2. So now write down this identities. Left hand side I'm again writing xyz minus 2. So its identity means x plus A, sorry, and x plus B. It is talking about x square plus A plus B into x plus A into B. So use the identity. X square means xyz square plus A plus B means minus 4 minus 2 into xyz plus minus 4 into minus 2. Okay, so this will gives you minus 6. X square, y square, z square. Now if you will open this one, xyz whole square means xyz into xyz. So it's x square, y square, z square. Okay, now this minus 6, minus 6 into xyz, and this is 4 to our 8 and minus minus plus. So x square, y square, z square minus 6xyz plus 8. This is the answer of 7th part of the second question. Okay, right. Now moving on to the next question, question number 3rd. Okay, so first part, find the following squares by using identities, means we have to find the squares. So be my, now here the proper identities, left hand form of the identities will be written. Okay, means here a minus b whole square, directly we will use the a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in place of here a की जगह पर क्या है आपका b और b की जगह पे है आपका 7. सो आप अगर सीधे आइडेंटिटी यूज करोगे तो क्या आएगा आपका a स्क्वायर का मतलब b स्क्वायर minus 2 into a means b and b means 7 plus 7 square. So you will get the answer immediately. B square, 7 square 14 and b plus 7 square. This is the answer for first part. Similarly for second, if I am talking about xy plus 3z whole square. So here we will use a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in place of a, that is xy, in place of b, that is 3z. Okay, so a square means xy square, 2 into a means xy, b means 3z plus 3z square. Okay, so it will gives you as x square as well as y square, because bracket is there now, so both number will be squared. And 2 3 are 6, x y z, and 3 square is 9, z square. This is means only 2 or 3 line answers will be there with the help of this identity. Okay, third part, 6x square minus 5y square, not 5y square, 5y whole square. This is the thing. Please keep this in mind here. A will be 6x square. Please write the pattern properly. B is your 5y. Now here we will use a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So look, in place of a, that is 6x square. Okay, a square means 6x square whole square, because this is a only. तो हमने a लिखा, ब्रैकेट लगाया, क्योंकि स्क्वायर करना है तो पूरे का स्क्वायर होगा आपका. is 2 into A means 6x square into B means you can say that is 5y plus 5y square. So 6 square means 36 and x square means x raised to power 4, because you know that x square in x square will known as x power 4 है ना. और ये क्यों लिखा, क्योंकि x ये है आपका x स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर है आपका, दैट्स व्हाई, राइट. प्लस 6 2 are 12 and 12 5s are 60. 60 x square y plus this is 5 square means 5 25 and y square. Okay, so 36 x की power 4 60 x square y plus 25 y square. This is the answer for the third question, right? Now fourth question, that is 2 upon 3m plus 3 upon 2n whole square. So if you will see, A is your 2 upon 3m and B is your 3 upon 2n. So just put down the values, because we know that A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square, right? So 2 upon 3m, A square means 2 upon 3m square, 2AB means 2 upon 3m, B means 3 upon 2n plus 3 by 2 whole square, and n will be there also, so that will be n here. So look, 2 gets cancel out, 3 gets cancel out. It's very easy now. So 2 upon 3 m square, that is 4 upon 9 m square plus 2, only 2 remaining here. So that is 2mn plus here 9 upon 4 n square. This is the identity. Means only here the role of the identity is important. Okay. And I'm talking about the fifth one, 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square. So if you talk about A, that is 0.4p and B is your 0.5q. Use A minus B whole square, that is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, A square means 0.4p square minus 2 into A means 0.4p into B means 0.5q, or plus 0.5q square. Okay, 0.4p means 0.16p square minus, okay, now look at 4 2 are 8. If you multiply 2 into 0.4 into 0.5, so this is your 0.8, okay, 0.5, and now 8 5s are 40, decimal point 2 before means 0.40, 0.4, that is PQ. Okay, and 0.5 Q square means 0.25 Q square simply. Now this is the answer for the fifth part. And the last part of this question, that is sixth one, that is 2xy plus 5y whole square. So here A is your 2xy, B is your 5y, right? Now you will use A plus B whole square here. So 2xy whole square, A square plus B plus 2 into AB. 2xy into 5y plus 5y means B square means 5y square. So 2xy whole square means 4x square y square plus 2 2 are 4, 4 5s are 20, x y, there will be 2, y power 2 and 25 y square, right? Now this is the answer of the fourth part, sorry, sixth part. In this way, question number second and third completed. Okay, so this is the in this video only I'm done here. So next 4th and 5th question will be discussed in the next 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 2 more videos will be required to solve these questions. Okay, so we will meet you soon in the next video. So bye bye from here. If you like the videos, then you know that what to do. Okay, so bye bye from here. See you in the next video. So bye bye from here. See you soon.